to the Bristol Motor Speedway as we're ready to go green. Green flag in the air, we're racing from Bristol. Purdy and Rhodes battling for the lead here. And here we go. Corey LaJoie on the outside, he's going to lead him. Purdy second, Rhodes third, Logano fourth. Oh, we got one into the wall. That's the number 1 car. Oh, and the 8, hard into the inside wall. That one is damaged, blew an engine. And yeah, getting ready to go back green. Green flag back in the air. Purdy, Logano. Oh, saved it. Chased Purdy. Logano still leads as they head down the back straightaway. Going down, 3 wide now. White flag in the air, last lap. Oh, Rhodes is around. Car upside down. It's Purdy who's going to win. Did you see a replay right there of what happened to the number R8 and Purdy wins? How about it? Your first win here in the